This is Mark Bucinich, senior reporter for LaborPress, and we're here today speaking with Michael Fina, Vice President for First Trade Union Bank.
Yes.
Mike, thanks for your time.
Thanks for having me.
What are some of the services that you offer to union members and union organizations?
Well, as a 26-year-old union-owned and operated financial institution, we cater to union locals, funds, and associations. We look to provide personalized banking services for depository accounts, cash management needs, and general banking services for our union locals, as well as members. So we have as we don't have the brick and mortar branches throughout the New York marketplace, we have what's called virtual checking account, which is a free depository account for members, where we rebate $20 a month for any external ATM fees, and these are some of the services on the membership side.
So, Michael, maybe one example can you provide of how your company has been able to save a union organization money on their banking operations, for example?
Yeah, well, typically we go into a local or fund organization and look at what transactions they're doing on a quarterly basis, see if there's any consulting services that we could provide to see if we could do things more efficiently, and then we look to put together a proposal. Obviously, because we don't have the brick and mortar, we've invested very heavily in technology through remote deposit scanner services, cash management services, to bring the bank to the local or the fund office and save them money. Our cost of funds are a lot lower than some of the larger money service banks, so that's one of the reasons. From a cost standpoint, we could reduce fees, which a lot of union organizations today, operating expenses, try to minimize, and also provide the personalized banking service. So you have my contact name, and the bank, understanding unions because we are one, we understand that the process for the locals, it's membership driven, so we try to customize products for the members as well as the local.
Michael, technology changes so rapidly. So how does First Trade Union Bank adapt to these new emerging technologies? How do you incorporate new technology? What technological aspects of your institution that you provide to union organizations?
Well, obviously, as the banking industry has changed dramatically over the past couple of years, especially with the economy. We work with our third-party providers that work with our organization to customize certain solutions for locals. So, because we're not, the larger money service banks, we're more of a community bank that's union-based. If there's organizations that need something that's more customized, we could look to bring our service team in and customize a solution that's a right fit for union organizations. So we're not trying to put a round peg through a square hole. We can work with our union organizations to make it work for them. We're stepping into New York, and we're looking to expand as well, and we hopefully be welcomed with open arms, and we're looking to help provide our union locals with an alternative solution to some of the bigger banks, and hope they'll look to bank union and bank with First Trade Union Bank.
Well, Michael, thanks for your time. Good to speak with you.
It was a pleasure, Mark. It's nice to meet you.
Great, thanks again. All right, Mike, good to see you again.